Investing money is one of the pillars of creating wealth. Oftentimes, one saves a bit of money to only then wonder what is the best use for that money if it isn't squandered eventually. Putting that money to good use could make the difference between wealth and poverty. It sets up a perpetual course of action where money is continuously saved, then invested in smart assets that generate income and appreciate over time. This effectively compounds the investment, providing larger returns over time as the asset appreciates and grows. In this video, I will discuss 6 different strategies on how to invest $1,000 to not only inform one of the options available to invest in income-producing assets, but also hopefully initiate a routine for one to start building wealth slowly and diligently over time, thus producing substantial income and wealth in the future, leading to financial independence. Get ready. You are now entering the Academy. The first strategy is to invest $1,000 in the stock market. Picking individual dividend stocks that are undervalued provide a great way to not only invest in an underappreciated asset, but also can provide you with quarterly or monthly dividends while invested. This strategy is more for the do-it-yourself types who want to control their investments, do the research, and buy and sell individual companies that they feel comfortable with. There is also the option of investing in ETFs or exchange-traded funds that are well known for their low costs and diversification benefits. For more information on investing in the stock market and investing in individual stocks in general, check out my video titled A Beginner's Guide to Investing in the Stock Market, Creating Passive Income. An online and mobile app investing platform that could be used to invest in individual stocks is Webull. Some of the benefits of Webull include 0 commissions. Typically, stockbrokers charge for completing each purchase of a sale of a stock anywhere from $1 to $20 per trade. No membership fees. Professional live market tools, which allow for real-time live stock prices to be able to purchase stocks at the current market price. Free extended hours of trading. Some services charge monthly fees for getting access to early morning or late evening trading. And Webull also has a great promotion, including a get a free stock value up to $1,000 promotion currently running now when you open an account and make your first deposit of $100 or more. Check out the link in the description to get started on Webull and invest in your $1,000 on dividend stocks that appreciate over time and provide income along the way. The second option is peer-to-peer lending. Another strategy to invest in $1,000 is to invest the cash to earn interest via a peer-to-peer lending service such as Lending Club. Peer-to-peer lending is the practice of lending to borrowers through an online service whose goal is to bring borrowers and lenders together. As an investor with Lending Club, you can invest automatically using various investment criteria. Alternatively, you can manually invest by browsing available loans and picking the ones you like. Loans come with varying risk, and the riskier the loan, the higher the interest. Be sure to choose loans that reflect your tolerance level for risk. Returns can average from 5 to 6%, and by varying the loan types, one can see greater returns on their investment. Check out the link in the description to find out more about peer-to-peer lending with Lending Club and what they have to offer. The third option is investing using a robo-advisor. A robo-advisor is an investment company whose product is an automated software designed to manage a portfolio based on certain criteria. For example, if one signs up with a robo-advisor, they will be asked a series of questions to determine their risk tolerance and investment goals and targets. Robo-advisors make investing in stocks easy and fully automated. It's a set and forget strategy where one can invest, say, $1,000, fill out the questions, and then continue to automatically invest over time, and the robo-advisor will take care of everything else, including rebalancing your portfolio, properly allocating funds to underperforming equities, and even reinvesting dividends. Typically, robo-advisors have small fees to manage funds. A popular robo-advisor is Betterment. With a digital plan which includes all the features mentioned previously, as well as low maintenance fees of only 0.25% annually or $25 for every $10,000 invested. They also have a premium plan with a yearly fee of 0.40% or $40 for every $10,000 invested above the minimum of $100,000 invested. Betterment even has a savings account feature which allows one to earn interest on cash that they would like to save as an emergency fund, for example. The current yield for their savings account is 2.69% interest as of the time of this video, which is one of the highest yields in the industry. These features for investing make Betterment one of the best options out there to invest your $1,000. The fourth option is to reduce debt. Having debt is the opposite of an investment. Holding on to debt is often more costly than investing is profitable. Think about this. In the stock market, you could expect an average of 6 to 7% return on your money. Whereas with credit cards, you could expect to be paying interest in the order of 20% or higher. That's a difference of at least 27% that you are effectively losing. That is why investing the $1,000 into paying off debt could be the best investment out of all these options. And focus on paying off the rest of your debt in a systematic and periodic fashion until all of it is paid off. One technique to get rid of high interest debt is to open a 0% balance transfer credit card and reduce your interest for up to 2 years while you pay it down. Check out the links in the description for credit cards that you can use to pay down debt at 0% interest. The fifth option is investing in a Roth IRA. A Roth IRA is an investment vehicle for retirement where funds can be invested after paying taxes. When the funds are withdrawn from the account during retirement, the money is tax-free. There are limitations for investing in a Roth IRA. As of the time of this video, only up to $6,000 can be invested every year. But a Roth IRA is a great vehicle to invest in dividend-producing assets that will also appreciate over time. If you're interested in learning more about how to invest in retirement accounts, please check out my video titled Strategies for Investing in Retirement Stock Accounts, Retire with Dividend Income. A great tool to use to invest in a Roth IRA is M1 Finance. M1 Finance allows you to set up a Roth IRA and invest on a regular basis to start growing your retirement account. With automatic rebalancing, automatic fund distribution based on underweight equities, the ability to create your own portfolio pies, and the fact that there is no fee makes M1 Finance a great investment tool and app to start investing your $1,000 today. Please check out the link in the description to get started investing in your Roth IRA, and if you open an account today, you will also receive $10 toward your first stock purchase. The sixth option is investing in well-diversified assets. In investing your first $1,000 or even investing any future funds, it is always a great idea to diversify your assets. The initial $1,000 can be broken up and invested into stocks, peer-to-peer lending, and perhaps properties via a crowdsourcing platform, for example. There are many options to choose from. For true diversifications, I will now go over a few options to fully diversify a portfolio that is reduced in risk and allows for multiple sources of income, so as to eliminate dependency on any one source of income. The first option is to invest in an ETF. Vanguard provides the lowest cost factor ETFs and is a great fund to slowly invest in over time. A great ETF within the Vanguard family is VTI, which is the Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF. Another option is to diversify by investing in real estate. You may think, but 10x Academy, how can I invest in real estate when I don't have any money? Real estate is so expensive, etc., etc., etc. Welcome to the world of REITs, or real estate investment trusts. REITs allow for anyone to invest in real estate companies that own real estate in various industries and that pay out dividends through shares owned by investors. It is a great way to invest in real estate without having the capital or time to manage properties. And REITs also provide the added advantage that your funds are liquid and can be sold at any time on the open market. A great investment app that allows for you to invest in REITs with zero commission fees is Robinhood. With Robinhood, you can purchase and sell shares of stocks or ETFs without paying commissions, and Robinhood is a great investment app for beginners as well. Check out the link in the description to get started on investing in real estate through REITs by using the investment app Robinhood. And if you open an account with Robinhood now, you will get a free stock valued up to $400. The next diversification strategy is to invest in real estate through what is known as crowdsourcing. Crowdsourcing allows for investors to pool in their money together to directly invest in a portfolio of real estate properties. The difference here is that investments into a crowdsourced portfolio are typically locked in for the duration of years, since the capital is directly used to invest into properties. Typically, investments can, however, yield returns of 7% or higher per year. One prominent crowdsourcing platform that allows investors to invest into real estate portfolios is called Fundrise. For more information on Fundrise, check out the link in the description. This is yet another way to diversify your investments with steady cash flow from income-producing assets. Finally, everyone should have an emergency fund, and preferably in a modest interest-yielding savings account. As mentioned previously, Betterment provides an FDIC-insured savings account that yields 2.69% interest. Not only that, but it also allows you to invest in their robo-advisor investment platform directly from the savings account, saving you time while allowing you to get the highest yielding interest on your money in the market. Check out the link in the description to get started on using Betterment for your investments and your emergency fund savings account. In this video, several strategies have been listed on how to invest $1,000. The strategies covered in this video include investing in individual stocks, peer-to-peer lending, investing using a robo-advisor, reducing debt, investing in a Roth IRA, and investing in well-diversified assets. Through careful planning and diligent investment of capital, as well as reinvestment of dividends, one can create a dividend income stream that can provide substantial income, eventually covering everyday expenditures and beyond. And the options don't only include the stock market. There are several other strategies on how to grow your investment over time. With the investment option tools and platforms discussed in this video, and along with some capital and a continual commitment to deploy more capital on a regular basis, one can have the necessary vehicle to invest in wealth-producing assets like the millionaires do. Be sure to check out the links in the description to get started on creating your very own passive income producing assets and start your path toward financial independence. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you haven't done so already, be sure to subscribe to the 10X Academy. And don't forget to turn on your notification bell to be alerted on more passive income strategy videos. This is the 10X Academy.